Are you a little bit excited that you're going to Sweden?
We're going. That took me a minute. We're going to Ikea. We're going.
Are you excited to go to Ikea?
See, we're going to Ikea.
She's not excited though.
You're fucking gonna eat meatballs, bitch.
We're going to Ikea.
Oh my god, I wanna show. This is what I want. I wanna have like 2 hot dogs. Hot dogs? Hot dogs. And I want to have 12 meatballs with creamy sauce. How do you call it? Creamy sauce?
The creamy
Brunsås. Brunsås.
Brun sauce?
Obviously.
Because you have the cranberry one, right?
Yeah, well that's just
How do you say it?
lingonsylt.
Oh yeah, and
Brunsås.
brun sauce.
Brunsås.
Brun
Brunsås.
sauce.
Sure. Well, we're excited for Ikea and the meatballs. So, and the brunsås. We're excited for the brunsås. Okay, so now we're closer to the Ikea, I guess. All the buildings here are very beautiful, like big skyscraper things.
Skyscraper.
Okay, Rose, from a scale of 1 to 10, how excited are you?
100.
100? Love that. Same. It just took me like, what, 4 months to get here? But whatever.
Now we're here. And I gotta have meatballs, hot dogs, everything in my mouth.
We look at the Powerpuff Girls.
Oh,
We are. Look at this. So we're going to the restaurant first, right? Vi bestämda steg mot matsalen.
Okay, so I'm Ainsley. I'm the Canadian that you'll always see in her vlogs. Let's see. I met Ida like day 1. She became like my BFF for life, you know.
And just a click.
Like we just boom.
It's amazing. I'm so happy. Alla Dime. Naturchips. Festligt. Åh, fina lilla Ikea.
Yeah, sure. But the smashed potatoes, I wanna have.
Wait.
What?
The smashed potatoes?
You mean mashed potato?
All the food?
Oh yeah.
Already. So guys, welcome to Sweden. This is how we do it the Swedish way. When you're just trying to appreciate a good little couch moment, and the people just see me sitting here just actually laughing at me. Well, am I comfortable at Ikea or am I comfortable at Ikea?
It's obviously this. Hola.
Hola!
Why? Oh my god. Well, that escalated quickly.
Was it good? Don't fight, girls. Don't fight. Okay, guys, I have a little task for you. Come here.
Stefan.
Stefan.
So this is the Canadian Stefan, and this is the Dutch Stefan. Stefan?
Stefan.
Nordviken. Nordviken.
Nordviken.
Yeah, like I said, Nordviken.
Exactly. That one?
Inga.
You just put a bunch of vowels and consonants together and you're like,
Inga. I think.
Ingvar.
Ingvar.
This one?
Norai.
What they said.
Don't say it.
Norrid.
Norit.
What did you say?
Norit.
Norraryd.
Norrared.
Norit.
I like Stefan.
I love that. Stefan. I like Stefan. Okay, so we're reading Swedish at Ikea. So what are we reading today?
We're reading Den Farden Alderen.
Den fjärde åldern.
That's what I said.
Perfect.
I'm going to. Oh, that's a very long sentence.
Just start the
Tilsman forsöker leva efter det.
one more time.
Tilsman forsöker leva efter det.
Yeah. Tills man försöker leva efter det.
Yeah, that's what I said.
You did. I will give you an A in Swedish, okay?
Thanks.
A for effort. So for you who did not catch what really happened there, she's gonna ask a worker here for his number. So that's what we're doing now. Did you get it?
No.
Why not?
It was working.
Well, it was a good try. Good try. Nu kommer jag gråta. Ser ni vad jag ser? Oh my god, you're coming with me. Skumtomtar!
Oh.
Juliskum. Juliskum?
Juleskum.
Juliskum. Juliskum.
Okay, so this was a successful trip at Ikea. This was a successful trip at Ikea. Ikea! I got my gifflar. I got my skumtomtar. I'm happier than ever with my little Ikea bag. We're saying thanks for today, girls.
Thank you.
What do we say in Swedish?
Puss hej.
Puss hej! Living this wonderful place. Bye, baby. Say bye to my baby.